Hi John, this is Mr. C here from Scribble Ink. Checking through your writing, I've got to say first of all, for a Year 4 student, this is outstanding writing. I'm really impressed. I see Year 7 and 8 students that don't write this well, so congratulations. All right, let's go through this sentence by sentence. Across the crystal glimmering waters, the sun gently blazed the canopies. The reason we need blazed there is to keep it consistent with swayed, ed, bristled, ed, hovered, ed. So your past tense, we need blazed there. The sun gently blazed the canopies. If I want to be picky, I would ask you, across the glimmering waters, the sun blazes the canopies. I'm not sure how the sun going across the waters, what you're trying to say is that sunlight is shimmering on the glimmering waters and it's also blazing the canopies. Okay, so just watch that. The man felt warmth covering him, or the man felt its welcoming warmth might work as well. Trees swayed and the wind bristled. I like it. The noise of an airplane hovered above him as he peacefully glided down the Amazon River. Okay, well, let's be specific. What noise? Maybe the chugging of an airplane engine hovered above him. Be specific here, okay? As he peacefully glided down the Amazon River. The babble of water relaxed him. I like that a lot. I'm noticing so far though, we've got a the, we've got a the, we've got another the. If I look ahead, I'll come back here, but let's have a look. We've got another the, we have another the, we have another the, we have another the. So just be careful of that, okay? I do like that you've used a where start here. That's good. And you've got in the distance as well. But don't forget, we've got when starts, verb starts, even simile starts as well to help with the writing. You can check out I forget which video it's in, but we have videos that explain all that, possibly our masterclass videos. In fact, they do. The happy tunes of birds, I like that, the happy tunes filled the air as a faraway storm approached steadily towards the gentleman. Yeah, I like that you've got gentleman there. Approached steadily. Yes, steadily's okay. Or ominously, if it's a dangerous storm, approached ominously towards the gentleman. In the distance, the youth. Now, hang on. Is he a man or a youth? He's a man up here, now a youth down here. Be careful of that. Just put he. In the distance, he could see a microscopic village full of pandemonium. Okay. Okay, so we've got a village full of pandemonium. That's good. I'm going to remember that for when I get down here. All sounds, the laughter of children, the twitter of a parrot, and the swiftness of wind ceased as a far-off volcano seemed like bursting. Okay, I recognize this sentence. M-descriptors. Couple of points. I love that you've attempted it. This needs only 2 sounds in between the hyphens. First of all, this hyphen is in the wrong place. It needs to be here. And in the middle, you've got 1, 2, 3 sounds. It's just one too many. So I would take one out. And I'm not sure, maybe this one here, the laughter of children, there's pandemonium. That means trouble. I don't know why there'd be laughter of children. So perhaps remove this one. All sounds, the twitter of a parrot and the swiftness of wind ceased, comma, as a far-off volcano seemed like bursting. I don't like seemed. It weakens the action. I don't like it. We need a better verb, and you could easily replace that with threatened. A far-off volcano threatened to burst. Okay, threatened to burst. The branches bowed in honor as the man turned off the engine and parked the boat. Now, the brave man. Okay, we've got man and man quickly after one another. Again, we don't want that kind of repetition. We've got man again here. So the branches bowed in honour as the man turned off the engine and parked the boat. He swiftly ambled. I like that. Swiftly ambled through trees and thick vines, pushing them aside, desperate to reach the civilians. You could probably put an adjective in here, and probably here as well. I like that you've got thick vines, but to make it, to give it more impact, you've got adjective noun. Therefore, adjective noun here would be good too. The brave man swiftly ambled through something trees, low-hanging trees and thick vines, perhaps, pushing them aside, desperate to reach the civilians. The fine man has a quest to do to save the villagers. No, I don't like that bit. Let's see. You want to stress that it's important that he arrives there and warns them in time. So pushing them desperate to reach the civilians. I'll just say it. It's too messy if I write it. With time running out, his quest would prove dangerous or perilous, something like that. Rather than the fine man has a quest to do to save the villagers, yeah, you'd want to have another go at that there. But I tell you what, your ideas, what you've written up here is outstanding. So congratulations. I like it a lot. You have got tremendous potential, my friend. All right, until next time, I hope this helps. Good luck on the next video, if that's what you're doing. But, yep, well done. Outstanding for grade 4. Congratulations, mate. I'll see you writing next time. Thanks for sharing it with me.